I am really grateful to iFi for sending the iDSD Diablo out for my review. So taking a look at the Diablo, on top right here, this is iDSD Diablo. If we flip it over to the bottom, you have these nice little rubber feet that are going to protect your surfaces from being scratched. Taking a look at the front here, we have the nice big 6.3mm headphone connection. So the 6.3mm connection is an unbalanced connection. Next to it, we have a 4.4mm balanced connection. So you will be able to connect your balanced headphones to get a nice balanced sound with this portable headphone amp. Next, we have a selector switch for Eco, Normal, and Turbo. For Eco, we're going to use that with your IEMs. Normal, you're going to use it for most headphones. And then Turbo are going to be for the highest to drive headphones. And then on the way on the right, you have a nice volume knob. It's going to also double as powering on your device. You just give it a nice little twist. You can see here the nice bright green LED. And it's going to switch to different colors depending on the audio output. Okay, let's take a quick look at the back. On the left, you have a SPDIF input, a balanced output, USB power, and USB input. For the USB power, you have USB-C connection, which is nice to see. For the USB audio input, you have USB-A. So this device gives you the option of having USB input or SPDIF input. All right, let's take a look at what else is in the box. So you get a warranty card and you get a little user manual right here. All right, let's take a look at what else is in here. This is going to be your USB audio input. And this end right here will be connected to your smartphone or laptop, while this female end will be connected to your Diablo. Just like that. And then you have the short USB-C cable to power your Diablo. They also provide you with a 3.5mm to 6.3mm adapter for your headphones, as well as this optical to SPDIF adapter. All right, let's see what else is in this box. To make sure that you get nice clean sound when you're at home connecting to your computer or laptop, they do provide you with a wall adapter, which is really nice. You would then connect that wall adapter with this USB-C adapter, just like that. And it's going to connect to the USB-C connection on your iDSD Diablo, just like that. Finally, you get this very cool traveling case, which is the iTraveler from iFi. You can also buy this separately, so if you have other DAC amps that are portable, you can go ahead and pick this up. I will leave a link down in the description below. So taking a look at the outside is actually pretty cool. It does have two hooks on the sides for a strap. It has this opening on top with perforated holes for your cables. And it also has the same thing on the bottom, which is really cool. So taking a look at the back, this is where you can easily store your smartphone, just like that. And then you can connect the cables through this opening here or through the top. All right, let's open up the iTraveler case to see what you get inside. So they actually give you some extra goodies here, and what this is the iPurifier. It's an active noise cancellation. It rebalances and regenerates your sound. So pretty cool that they include this. And iFi does provide a balanced cable, and with this adapter cable that I got, I can easily plug in my balanced headphones, and then I can go ahead and connect it to the balanced connection on a Diablo. Again, I'm not sure why iFi didn't provide a cable such as this, and I will leave a link to this cable down in the description below, as I recommend it to be used with this device. But I'm going to say I really like the bold color of it. It stands out. And as far as connectivity, I am glad that they included a balanced 4.4mm connection. And for the inputs, I am glad they not only included USB input, but SPDIF input as well. And guess what? They also give you a balanced output in case you wanted to output this DAC to a more powerful amplifier.